In this video, we'll show you how to set up your Canon imageCLASS printer on a wireless network with a Windows computer. Let's get started. Before connecting your printer to the network, confirm that your wireless router is available and properly set up. Also, confirm that your computer is connected to the network. Next, make sure your printer is plugged in and powered on. The main screen will be lit when the printer is on. On the home screen, use the four-way directional pad to select Menu and press OK. Select Network Settings and press OK. Select Wired/Wireless LAN and press OK. Select Wireless LAN and press OK. Select Wireless LAN Settings and press OK. When this screen appears, press OK. On the Wireless LAN Settings screen, select SSID Settings and press OK. Choose Select Access Point and press OK. An SSID is your wireless network, also known as a Wi-Fi network. When a list of available wireless networks appears, select your SSID and press OK. You'll be asked to enter the network password. Select Switch Entry Mode and press OK to toggle between capital letters, lowercase letters, and symbols. To enter your password, use the four-way directional pad to select each character. Press OK to enter the desired character. When you've finished entering your password, select Apply and press OK. When this screen appears, select Yes and press OK. Once connected, press the Home button to return to the home screen. Now, let's install the software. Download the installation files from the Canon website by visiting usa.canon.com/support. Follow these links to download the software for your printer. Search for your printer, select it from the list, and click Go. Select and download the recommended driver. Open the downloaded file on your computer to get started. Click Next to start the installation process. The license agreement screen will be displayed. Read the agreement, and if you agree to the terms, click Yes to continue with the installation. Select Network Connection, and then click Next. If this message appears, click Yes to make exceptions for the Windows firewall. The software will begin to search for your device. Select your printer from the list, and then click Next. Place a check in the box for each device you wish to install, and then click Next. Confirm the name of your printer, and then click Next. Confirm your settings, then click Start to begin the installation. Now, the drivers will be installed. This may take a few minutes. When the installation is complete, this screen will appear. Select a device as your default printer, and then click Next. If you'd like to make a test print, place a check in the box and click Exit. You can skip test printing by removing the check and clicking Exit. Congratulations! This completes the installation of your Canon imageCLASS printer to a Windows computer using a wireless connection. Now you're ready to print and scan. Thank you for watching.